Welcome to How to Guide, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Barclays Mortgage account. Before getting started, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar type in Barclays Mortgage Login. Once you press enter, you'll see these results. From this, click on the first link and it will take you to its home page. And now on this page, click on the button where it says login. Once you press on it, you will be taken to this page. On this page, you'll have to enter your login credentials. If you are new to Barclays, you can register for a new account by clicking on this link. Now they will provide you three options to log in, either with your membership number, your card number, or short code and account number. You can choose any of these options. I'll just enter my membership number. So first of all, enter your last name, then enter your membership number that is 12 digit long. Make sure you have entered your correct membership number, and if you don't remember your membership number, you can click on this link to recover your account. And if you want to save your last name and your login method, you can click on this check mark. And if you're using a public or shared device, this is not recommended to click. Now once you have entered your correct credentials, click on the continue button, and on the next page, it will ask you to enter your password. And once you provide your password, you'll be logged into your Barclays Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. And I will catch you on the next one.